As you may know, electricity prices have been rising every year, over 20% increase in just the last 3 years. The only way as a homeowner to stop this never-ending yearly increase is to switch to solar energy. We have good news. The average price of a solar panel has declined by 60% in just the last 3 years, so the cost of going solar has never been more affordable. There are now programs available with no out-of-pocket cost to the homeowner for a solar installation. The government pays 30% of the cost for a solar installation in federal tax credits, and there are state and local rebates to save homeowners even more. Adding solar is no longer considered an expense. It's now a smart investment. Dollar for dollar, solar adds way more value than remodeling a kitchen or bathroom. The savings is instantaneous, and the return is infinite, as it pays for itself many times over. For the first time in history, solar payments are now less than you're paying for electricity, so there is no risk. You can now purchase, lease, or finance solar for your home for less than you pay for your electric bill. In fact, almost everyone can now afford solar for their home. Solar energy also increases your home's value and makes it more attractive if you decide to sell it in the future. In fact, a home with solar sells 20% faster than a home without solar. Okay, our 2 minutes are about up, but we have one last thing. The federal tax credits and rebates won't last forever, so act now. Please leave your name and address, and we'll send you free information on how you can own a virtually free solar system and your free gift.